everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the monthly DIY challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul, and the theme this month is Back to School. I will leave the link as usual to Heidi's channel in the description box, as well as the link to the playlist with all the videos that are being entered in this challenge. Please visit Heidi's channel and all the videos, because you will find, as I always say, a lot of inspiration. And Heidi's channel she has more than one channel, but the one I follow is a DIY one, and it's awesome. Okay, this is going to be very short because it's a very easy and quick DIY. I have this I don't know, signs that I hope you know. My daughter and I are dumpster divers, and we found like 6 or 7 of these at Michael's, my dumpster in Michael's, a while ago, and I've been using them because I love them. And by the way, we have a channel, it's Dumpster Chicks, and the link is going to be in the description box. We would love for you to pay a visit. It's a lot of fun. Okay, I use one of these signs to make this sign. Of course, as you can see, these are made to be hung this way, but I needed to use it this way. I'm sorry, I'm moving the camera on landscape orientation. So first what I did was to print from internet this writing, and as I always say, I use a vellum paper because it makes easy the task of looking and placing your image, the image you want to transfer. When I'm transferring on a black surface, I don't do the, going around the letters or the whatever it is in the paper on the back with a pencil. I use this transfer paper that transfers in white and is absolutely fantastic and fabulous, and you can see what you are doing. You transfer what you want to transfer, and it's transferred in white on the surface you're working with, which saves you a lot of time. Once I had the image transfer, I started painting the letters and the binds with this Bistro chalk maker. That is my favorite one. This is a broad point. I have one that is fine point, and that's the job very, very quickly and makes your life easier. Then I had the problem of these holes. So I like how it looks, the twine here. So I thought, okay, first what I did was I took this twine, let's say this is the same sign. I pulled the twine from the back side. I made a knot. This is the one I made. This is the one that it was already there, and I cut the excedent, what was left. Then I use another of these signs, and I remove this twine completely, and I cut both extremes to get more knots, because I want to place knots here and here to cover the holes, and then I'm going to repeat it here and here. I don't have the tools to make holes, otherwise that would have been the best option. So I using one of these as kind of template, I marked where the holes are, and I'm going to glue this piece of twine here and I'm also going to add knots. So that would be the finishing touch, and that's what I'm going to do right now. As you can see, this is really easy. The only thing that takes a little bit of time is transferring and painting the letters. Like this. Now I have to cut this piece to size, like here. And I'm going to glue it. Here and here. Okay. And now the two remaining knots. I have hot glue all in my fingers. One on each extreme of the twine, one here and the other one here. And of course I have to clean all these pieces of hot glue. Oh wow, I'm sorry. And that's it. That's all I have to do with this. I need to find something to hang this from the wall. I showed you in another video a few days ago that I found one of those I don't know how they call them, that has like teeth, but they don't have holes and screws. You have to hammer them, and they don't work on this surface. And I can't find the ones that have screws. So I'm going to wait, and someday I will go to Home Depot. That they carry it, but they don't sell it online. So I will have to go to the store and buy them there. So, okay, this needs a little bit of cleaning, but you get the idea. I think that in these times where kids are going to school at home, it would be a nice sign to hang from the wall in the room where they are having their virtual classes or being homeschooled. And that's why I made this. I hope you like this sign, and I hope you will give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done it already. Please ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Please visit the hostess channel and the playlist. Thank you so much, Heidi, for hosting this challenge every month. I love it. Thank you to all of you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.